Imagine a liquid that freezes at the slightest touch. But instead of giving you frostbite, it actually burns hot. No, it's not a glitch in the matrix, it's chemistry. Welcome to the world of hot ice, where your senses are about to get very, very confused. This magic trick starts with a compound called sodium acetate. When we heat it up, we can dissolve way more of it in water than should be legally allowed. As it cools down, it becomes supersaturated. It's basically a liquid on the edge of a nervous breakdown, just waiting for a reason to snap back into a solid. All it takes is one tiny seed crystal or even a bump to start the chaos.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
The laws of thermodynamics, specifically studies published by the Royal Society of Chemistry. As these molecules lock back into a solid crystal lattice, they release energy. In this case, it's an exothermic reaction. That ice isn't cold. It's actually cranking out heat up to 136 degrees Fahrenheit. But here's the best part. You don't need a high-tech lab to see this. You can actually make hot ice right in your own kitchen using baking soda and vinegar. When you mix them, you create a dilute form of sodium acetate. The trick is boiling off the water until it's super concentrated. You have to boil it carefully until a thin crystal skin forms on the surface. That's your signal that it's ready for the cooling phase. Cover it up and put it in the fridge. As it cools, it stores all that potential energy, just waiting for you to unleash it. Once it's cold, you can do more than just freeze it in a cup. You can actually sculpt with it. By pouring it slowly onto a plate with a few crystals, the liquid freezes the instant it hits the pile, letting you build gravity-defying towers of hot ice. And the coolest part? It's completely reusable. The chemical reaction is reversible. Just boil the solid crystals in a water bath, and they turn back into that clear, supersaturated liquid, ready to be frozen all over again. This isn't just for viral videos. If you've ever used those reusable clicking hand warmers, you've held this science in your palm. That's why you have to boil those hand warmers to reset them. You're melting the crystals back into liquid. While regular ice absorbs heat to melt, hot ice releases heat to freeze. It's like the bizarro world version of your freezer tray. Nature has a funny way of playing with our expectations. So, if you could instantly freeze any liquid just by touching it, what would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to SciCurious for your weekly dose of mind-bending science. See you in the next one.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.